Hi, this is our project. Your project title is EV BMS, Fire Protection and Charge Monitoring. First of all, your project title EV BMS, that means Electric Vehicle Battery Management System. That means while charging the battery, we have to charge it. Then fire protection. Whenever fire happen, it will detect by this temperature sensor, and based on that, if fire is detected, then to protect this battery, it will disable the load. This is our title. And coming to the hardware, this is arduino, this is power supply board, 16:4 LCD display, transformer, and DS18B20 temperature sensor, and 12 volts battery, and current limiter, and this is shunt resistance to measure current. This is voltage sensor, voltage divider, nothing but voltage sensor to measure battery voltage. And this is the motor, nothing but a load. We can assume it as a vehicle. And these two are relays. This is also relay to control this motor on and off. And I will explain why these two relays. And coming to this is 3 buttons. One is for load on off. If you press one time, load will be on, next time load off. And FC means fast charging, SC means slow charging. While keeping this button, you have to press it for 3 seconds and then release. Okay, this is about basic hardware. Coming to the main purpose of this project is, whenever we are keeping this transformer into the power, it will generate 12 to 14 volts and it will charge this battery. If you are pressing this FC, that means fast charging, then relay will be on to disable this current limiter and directly charge to the battery. So that means whatever current is produced by this transformer, it will directly go to this battery so that it will charge fast. The main difference between fast charging and slow charging is, in fast charging we will give more current. In slow charging we will control the current. That means we will decrease the current so that battery will be charged slowly. Okay, and whenever we press slow charge, then relay will be other relay will be on, so that this current limiter will be in connection, so that it will limit the current. So whenever it was in fast charging, it will draw more current from this main transformer. Whenever in slow charging, it will draw less current. So this is about basic principle. And coming to the operation, here you have to take care about this transformer. Why? Because from this red color to entire power cord is AC, so that AC power here we have to put into socket. Then power is coming, just off it. So from here to power cut, there is an AC signal, so that better to keep away this AC power wire from the board. And after receiving, before execution this project, just keep away all the components away from this board. All components are fixed except this temperature sensor. Keep it away from the board. Why? Because it is metal. If you keep like this and power on, then this metal shorted any 2 pins and it will damage the entire circuit. This one also, and this battery also we have fixed it here. Okay, and we have to keep away from this board. And now give power on, then it will display title, then it will show temperature, voltage and current, and load on. Now voltage is off. We have one more thing, battery clip. This is we have to give here. Why we have to give here? To measure battery voltage. So without this clip, we can directly solder this wire here. But why we are not soldering here? If you solder here, then this voltage divider, as I told earlier, this is voltage divider, nothing but a voltage sensor. It will draw current from the battery will be discharged. So that we have keep in like this, you have to stick like this to the metal. Okay, then it will show voltage. Then there is no current. Whenever current will be coming whenever battery is charged. Now there is no charging. Whenever I press FC, Now FC relay will be on. That means it will directly charged. Then it is in fast charging. In fast charging, it will draw more current. You can see current fluctuation. And whenever any battery charged from any source, whether it is solar or a transformer, it will draw current. But that current is not constant. It will vary. Sometimes we can see more current, sometimes less. Why? Because battery has a chemical composition, it will react like that. Okay, but most on our average you can see more current there, and it will charge continuously. But whenever it was in you can see 2 and okay, based on this internal chemical reactions and all. So whenever battery voltage more than 14 and 15, that means it has fully charged, then no need to charge it. That time it will draw less current. If voltage is more, then it takes less current, even in fast charging also. Okay, so whenever it was in a slow charge, then a slow charge relay will be on, and that time it draws less current. Okay, then whenever we power on this, then this low motor will be on, and it consumes power from the battery, so that you can see voltage drop also. Motor will be rotating. You can see some previously we have seen 14 and 15, but now it is in 13 and sometimes 12 also. Why? Because load is drawn power from the battery. Okay, this is your operation. And coming to one more option, whenever fire occur. Why? Because in your title, fire protection, whenever fire occur, then load will be off automatically to protect the battery. Prasad, to show fire, better to take one so we have to heat it. Okay, and whenever we heat it, temperature will be increased. Whenever it crosses certain level, you can see I am heating it, so gradually temperature rises. So it crosses 55. Whenever it crosses some limit like 55 and 60, then load will be off. That means whenever battery temperature rises, actually this is here, but we can't show instantly battery heating up and all. Whenever heating up because of battery damage or vehicle fire occur, in that condition it will power off the load, so that it will not draw any current from the battery, so that fire will be controlled. Okay, like that it will work. Load automatically off. Okay.